इंटरेस्टिंग पोर्ट्रेट्स 14 का रीजनल एप्टीट्यूड 13 का एजीएम थिएटर में 14 का जो डिज़ाइन ड्राइंग इंपोर्टेंस 7 का स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रोडक्शन 8 का इंजीनियरिंग एनवायरनमेंट 8 का पोल्यूशन मेजरमेंट 7 का मेडिकल साइंस 6 का आईसीटी 11 का इथिक्स एंड वैल्यूज इन 12 का। अब देखो द इंजीनियर फॉर सस्टेनेबल वर्ल्ड for using the zero for sustainable world meant for using professional type to create a more sustainable world was found in 2001 में फाउंड किया गया था। ठीक है, which one of the following not covered under the Declaration on freedom, principle and right at work। ये कौन सा ग्लोबल कॉर्पोरेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का है। ठीक है, which one of the following does not come under business ethics, avoiding law and avoiding breaking the law। ये हो गया नहीं see avoiding action, which one of the following refers to whom may be affected by the action of the company that affects health, safety and the environment, from taking reprisal against employees who they report dangerous incident or to management or appropriate authority, safe and proper environment। The defense DRDO has also test fired medium range subsonic cruise missile निर्भर from the delegation at कहाँ पे which one of the following not correct regarding the खेल रत्न award। The award from the मेडल सर्टिफिकेट कैश पैसे को दिया पड़े। अवार्ड में से कारण में सही बात है। इसमें फर्स्ट एक बता चेस लेजेंड इसका था ना मजा देना चाहिए। इसमें क्या क्या मिलता है हो गया कब से क्या सही बस 10 पैसे 25 लाख का बदल लाख नहीं 25 लाख का। How many Indian companies have found a place in Fortune Global 500 list? C 7। Which one of the following not important initiative under EASE 4.0 D parameter of FI index? Which one of the following authority not correct regarding the present for regulatory and development authority? It has increased the entry age for the from 16% to number because entire the earlier the legal invest 18%, now has become 70 हो गया। ठीक, as per the divide resident of north resident overseas India because this is similar as well in this so applicant may not differ the country। World largest sapphire cluster have been found in Silicon। Which one of the following protocol is designed to provide privacy between two communication application, example client and server? C secure socket layer protocol। Which one of the following is an advantage of branch or interface programming type or style in ACT based teaching and learning process? B there is a possible of guesswork होता है। Which one of the following learning is a teaching approach that engages students in sustained collaborative real world investigation? क्या project based learning है। Which one of the following scheme used for radio station within the station same region where each radio station has its own frequency division multiplexing? AES की expansion algorithm takes an 4 word 16 byte key and produces a linear arrow of 44 words for 36 bytes। Consider the following regarding engineers as responsible examiners। C 1 to 4। It includes consideration to leave or by moral principle. It can be accountable by the for the result or for the product। और चौथा it includes constant awareness of the progress of the experiment and readiness to military side of the experiment। इस तरह गलत है। जैसे फ्री पर्सनल रिजर्वर है। Which one of the following not declared Nussbaum basic human function right? Being able to learn, earn livelihood and live peacefully। Which one of the following not a virtue of for responsible professionalism? कौन सा था सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन virtue? Which one of the following is not Davis 8 virtue? ये का एसेबिलिटी नहीं है मतलब हार्मलेस पॉलिसी डिफरेंशिएटेड वर्सिटी का लिए हिसाब है प्रोफेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी है। Arrange the following hierarchical order as suggested by Carroll in 4-part model of corporate social responsibility। D मतलब इकोनॉमिक फिर लीगल फिर इथिकल फिर फिलांथ्रोपिक। Kyoto Protocol operationalized the UN framework convention। किस पे क्लाइमेट चेंज है। According to Carson, which one of the following hypothesis airport does the nature has excessive violence which is protected because of its weather? Also, the critical effect। The Hala hypothesis suggests that the Earth should be seen as a single organism wide divided package। Also, Jack's level of energy used by man does not originate from which one of the following? फ्रिक्शन से नहीं होता है। The term secret का often introduced protect कौन सा powerful रहा है इधर पे कर। Which one of the following is not a condition for preferring top down time and cost estimate? Cost and time important। ठीक है, in network computation process which one of the following is correct for forward pass? because it starts with the first project activities and traces each path chain execution through the network to the last project activity। प्रोडक्शन क्या होता है तुमको मेजर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, ये क्या होगा, तो इंक्रीजिंग कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, डिक्रीज इन क्वांटिटी प्रोडक्शन, quantity product not meeting the standard customer expectation, producing more quantity that can be sold leading to accumulation of stock. ये होता है. Which one of the following projects are those which are to be completed within a set period even at the cost of ending with a higher project cost? Rest period. Which one of the following is concerned with changing the supply of money, stock and the rate of interest for the purpose of stabilizing the economy at a full potential output level? ये को monetary policy. Which one follow the elements of TQM? TQM क्या था, टीम वर्क एंड फ्रेमवर्क और फीडबैक मेकैनिज्म, ये दोनों उसका पार्ट है, ठीक है. क्वालिटी कैपेसिटी कैन गेट राइट इन विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप. और आगे तो कोई डी सेंसरी कैपेसिटी और स्टैटिस्टिकल नहीं होगा, कैबिनेट कैपेसिटी होगा, ठीक है. हो गया. Which are the major criteria for quality cost? ये का 1 to 4 प्रोड्यूसर कॉस्ट, अप्रेजल कॉस्ट और इंटरनल सेल कॉस्ट, प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट ही आएगा. पॉजिटिव फॉलोइंग रिगार्डिंग इवैल्यूएटिंग सैंपल प्लान. ये identify inspection is effective inspection done for loss. Retributive sample plan in the average total inspection. पहला, the average number of items inspected for a series of lots in order to make a decision is the average sample number. ये भी सही है, तो 1 और 2 सही होगा. Which of the following is the principal quantity of the C 1 and 3? Or restaurant should achieve and sustain the quality of products so as to continually meet the purchaser's stated or employed need. The restaurant should provide confidence to the purchaser that the intended quality is being or will be achieved in the delivered process. तो 1 और C हो गया. Trial run are recommended for which of the following reason? A 1 to 3 4. Trial and provide a report to remedy the situation during the experiment. ठीक है. Trial and provide the fast chance to fine tune levels of factor. ये भी सही है. Trial and provide a chance to make any needed change in the experimental plan during experimentation. ये भी सही है. Trial and can help considerably in estimating the time to complete a run, logistically support required for level change and total time needed to complete the experiment. Which one of the following is not a source of variation present in every process of construction? स्पेसिफिकेशन नहीं होगा, तो मतलब होगा क्या, इक्विपमेंट मटेरियल एनवायरमेंट की चीज़ होगा. द टोटल डिस्प्यूट अबाउट border environment movement begin with the publication of Sallet Spring by इसे रैचल कार्स्टन ने बोला है. सेरेस का प्रिंसिपल कौन सा नहीं है, कंट्रोल प्रोडक्शन नहीं, तो होगा क्या, एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन फार्मिंग पब्लिक प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द बायोस्फीयर. ये हो गया. द लार्जेस्ट टाइडल रेंज इन द वर्ल्ड क्या है, बे ऑफ इंडिया है. ये फॉलो नॉट अ क्लासिफिकेशन माइक्रोस्कोपिक डिफ्यूजन, ये इंटर डिफ्यूजन नहीं होगा, तो होगा क्या, फ्रीक्वेंसी डिफ्यूजन, सरफेस डिफ्यूजन, लैटिस डिफ्यूजन, ये 3 चीज़ होंगे. मेनी बल्क पॉलीमर क्रिस्टलाइज फ्रॉम अ मेल्ट एट सेमी क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्म फ्रॉम व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रक्चर? सी सेफ्राइड स्ट्रक्चर. अब द पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आयन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मेटल अट्रैक्ट होने देते हैं, जिसमें कंबाइन टू क्या होता है, कोलम्बिक फोर्स. प्रोसेस बाय प्लास्टिक डिफॉर्मेशन प्रोड्यूस बाय डिसलोकेशन प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं, स्लिप. Stereomeresis denotes the situation in which atoms are linked together. कैसे होगा, in the same order head to tail में, या फिर different in spatial arrangement. ठीक है. Some of the complex thermoplastic chain become so stiff that they act as rigid rod even when heated above the melted mineral. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, लिक्विड क्रिस्टलाइन पॉलीमर बोलते हैं. अब अगला देखो, रूटिंग अटैक ऑन आईओटी कौन सा होता है, क्लोन आईडी या फिर साइबिल आईडी होता है. व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन द ओएसआई रेफरेंस मॉडल इज कंसर्न्ड विद द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड बिट स्ट्रीम ओवर फिजिकल मीडियम आई डील विद द मैकेनिकल इलेक्ट्रिकल फंक्शन एंड प्रोक्यूरमेंट फैसिलिटी टू एक्सेस द फिजिकल मीडियम. ये होता है फिजिकल लेयर होता है. ठीक है. अगला देखिए, which one of the following system is used when the rigid time requirement on the operation of a processor or a flow of data, thus is often used as a control device in a dedicated application. क्या होता है, रियल टाइम सिस्टम होता है, रियल टाइम सिस्टम. Which one of the following server is a tool that allow an information provider to prepare indexes of unstructured document, allows users to serve these indexes with natural language questions. कौन सा होता है, वाइड एरिया इंफॉर्मेशन सेटवर. In general, which one of the following not included in the list of पार्ट्स और बिल ऑफ मटेरियल और इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग चाहिए? कौन सा होता है, मटेरियल नेम होता है. ये नहीं होता, मतलब होता है कि पार्ट नंबर, कॉस्ट, क्वांटिटी होता है. कंटिन्यूअस, थिन, नैरो एंड जिगजैग स्ट्रेट लाइंस आर जनरली यूज्ड टू ब्रेक. क्या होता है, लॉन्ग ब्रेक लाइन के लिए. व्हेन देयर हेडिंग लाइंस आर ड्रॉन टू फुल साइज सर्कल एंड प्रोजेक्टेड क्लाइंट एट एन एंगल ऑफ 30, 40 or 5 and 6 degrees, such oblique position known as सी कैवेलियर प्रोजेक्शन होता है. कुछ फॉलोइंग इज नोन अबाउट ऑब्लिक प्रोजेक्शन. ऑब्लिक प्रोजेक्शन क्या होता है, इसमें होता है the face of the object which is perpendicular to the plane of projection will to certain the shape and size. ये होगा. बाकी पहला का था, जरूर होगा, फिर से होगा, देखो. कुछ of the following used when the non-asymmetric lines or end lie in asymmetric planes. Box method होता है. If the line perpendicular to VP and is VT coincide with the front VP point, then इसके पास ST होगा ही नहीं. ठीक है. अब अगला देखिए, The drawing and machining process can be automated using CAD and CM. Change the primary function of this drawing and process. ये गड़बड़ है. The primary function is to provide information about the product or design and production of people. This environment engineering pollution have become global problem. The rapidly growing human population, rapid organization, incentive for culture and industrialization together with human to be resulting in environment pollution. ठीक है. Content is the heart of IT business. सही बात है. Implementation of e-commerce through IT professional hired from the market is likely to result in failure of the project as the organization is bound to respond. ये गड़बड़ है. Social involvement discourage additional government regulation and intervention. सही बात है. Social involvement can create a weekend industrial imbalance of payment situation. सही बात है. By integrating the area bounded by 3 straight lines, 4 minus x this is this. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? C 4 square unit इसका बनेगा. A powerful series of ln ये होगा पावर सीरीज. इसका क्या पावर सीरीज? n इसका x minus 1 ये होगा x square. वही ln मतलब उल्टा करके x minus 1 करके. The mean value of x y equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 which we minus 1. देखो given फंक्शन ये है. मीन वैल्यू फंक्शन 1 b minus 1 y dx इसका इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे. व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ कर्व x इक्वल टू 2 cos cube d y इन द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट. x थीटा इक्वल टू गिवन कर्व ये है. d थीटा बाय d l इक्वल टू ये हो गया. लार्जेस्ट आइगन वैल्यू इन मॉडुलस ऑफ मैट्रिक्स विथ एनालिसिस वेक्टर ऑफ दिस बाय पावर मेथड. पावर मेथड ये हो गया. ax हो गया दिस और ये हो गया. लार्जेस्ट आइगन वैल्यू 11.8. रेडियस द मैट्रिक्स टू आइगन वैल्यू ये हो गया. इसको कैसे किया? ए था a12 ये हो गया. a13 tan अल्फा ये हो गया. sin अल्फा cos अल्फा ये हो गया. p हो गया. p अल्फा हो गया. From the Taylor series for yx, what is the value of y 0.1 corrects to 4 decimal places if yx satisfied y dash equal to x minus y square and y not equal to 0. Y dash ये होगा. y double dash ये हो गया. ये Taylor series function y equal to y not this is this y this को y 0.1 ये होगा. What is the shape of curve representing x by 5 equal to root under 1 plus y2 का whole square. तो ये हो गया hyperbola. ये हो गया. तो करके ये हो गया. What is the particular solution of the differential equal 5 dy by dx plus 2x is the boundary condition and y equal to 7 over 5 y equal to this. इसको डाल दिया, इंटीग्रेट किया, y equal to 7 over 6. Which one of the following factors are included in product relation theory? 1 to 3. Marketing function to access customers requirement, documentation of the design, legal requirements. Some environment question the prudence of the exploiting feature of the environment, arguing that there is no economic benefit to be gained from forest, mountain or wetland that no longer live. Many environment claim that because nature intrinsic value, it would be wrong to destroy such feature of the environment, even if the economic cost of doing so were outweighed by the economic cost of nature. Which of the following can inform from the policy? Also, many might prove that only a non-economical justification questioning the responsibility of the environment. Some argue that laws are instituted at least in part of to stabilize. Some argue that laws are instituted at least in part to stabilize a particular moral fabric, but the primary function of the law is surely to help order society so that its institution or institution can work together harmoniously, regardless of any further moral aim of the law. Indeed, the highest court have on occasion created moral relation concepts or religious as well for making exception in the law of the law. C. Action based on religious belief or on moral conviction tend to receive the protection of the highest court. Unlike newspaper in the old days, today's newspaper and televised newspaper have full of stories about murder and assault in our days. One can only conclude from the changes that violent crimes are now out of the control. To be safe from person, one should not leave one home except for sufficient reason. Murder comprises a large proportion of violent crimes in the old days than it is today. Up A. Jessica has 4 children. 2 have blue eyes and 2 of them have brown eyes. Half of the children are blue. If the first 3 children are fact, which of the following must be a fact? 2. 2 of the children are boys. Children are in pursuit of a dog whose leash are broken. James is directly behind the dog. Rose is behind James. James is behind Ruby. Max is ahead of dog walking down the street. As the children and dog pass, Max turns around and joins the process. He ran in behind Ruby. James runs faster and is alongside the dog. Ruby runs faster and is alongside the dog on the dog. Which is suddenly directly behind the dog. The Max. At the baseball, when he was sitting right of the sand in the evening set of the George, Inez was sitting to the left. Which seat is Inez sitting? A. 251. The difference is simple to compare on a sum of 2 years at 8% when the interest is compounded annually 16%. ₹16 इफ इंटरेस्ट का पता हाफ एन द डिफरेंस इन दुनिया की कितना P1 + R प्रूव करके ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया. A library has 2 books, each of which has 3 copies, and 3 books which having 2 copies. In how many ways can this book be arranged in a self-storage copy of the same book are not separated? 120. 21 mangoes trees, 42 apple trees, 52 have to be planted in rows such that each row contains the same number of trees in one variety. Minimum number of rows in which the above tree can be planted. ये कितना आता है? 17. इसी पर general wishes to draw up his 3 6 5 62 soldier in the form of solid square. After arranging them, he found that some of them are left over. How many are left? कितने? 81 हो गया. Consider the following regarding cybersecurity multi-donor trust fund. Paper D. The World Bank has launched a new cybersecurity multi-donor trust fund to better roll out cybersecurity development agenda and systematic development. The new fund has been developed as an associate trust fund under the Broader Digital Development Fund under level. World Bank has partnered with 4 countries named Estonia, Japan, Germany, and Netherlands to launch the fund. सही बात है. Consider the following regarding hydrogen breakthrough iron making technology. B2 and 3. The steel was made using hydrogen breakthrough iron making technology, which uses 100% fossil-free hydrogen instead of coal fuel. The venture has started delivering the fossil fuel steel to the Volvo Group as part of its trial run. मतलब पहला कर रहे थे Swedish firm hybrid world eager one खोजते नहीं होने का. The US based Omnium International has started India's first green hydrogen electrolyzer unit. कहाँ पे? Bangalore, कर्नाटका में. Which one of the following has repealed the unmanned aircraft system rules 200 and replaced the same with the liberalized drone rules 200? कौन सा मिनिस्ट्री से liberalization? Which कौन सा the following regarding forum for decarbonization transport? ये कौन सा D? नीति आयोग and मतलब कौन सा का है सब? नीति आयोग and World jointly launched the forum for decarbonization plan. नीति आयोग implemented part of for India. The aim of the project is to bring down peak level of greenhouse emission gases in Asia, reducing problem like congestion air population. Which one of the following national park has become the first national park in India to be eco-friendly satellite phone? Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Which one of the following cities have been named as the world's safest city from among 60 global cities in Safe Cities Index, released by Economic Intelligence in EAU of Copenhagen? The first ever G20 ministerial conference on women empowerment was held in कहाँ? Santa Murgano, Ligure, Italy. Which one of the following countries did the Indian Navy participate in US Navy led Southeast Asia Cooperation SEACAT 2030 to demonstrate in maritime and maneuver? Singapore. Most serious students are happiest and most serious students go to graduate school. Furthermore, all students who go to graduate are overworked. Which of the following can appropriate from the student? Some happy students are overworked. A trunk can be filled by 20 because each capacity is the capacity of each bucket has how many because will fill the same tank? 30. One side of trunk was 20 and 10 are diagonal 10. The area from the 96. Two boys being together to write out a booklet containing 817 lines. The first boy starts with first line writing at the time of 200 later lines per hour, and the second boy starts with and last line writes line 7 backward person at rate 1 p.m. At what line will they meet? Abhi dekho iski 467. Rohit spent 40% of his money income on food item, 50% of his remaining on clothes item. He saves 1/3 of the remaining amount after spending on food, clothes and convenience. He saves 900 to 40 monthly income. कितना होगा? 1600. The value of L in glass is ये हो गया 2e minus t plus 3 cos t minus 70. Laplace transform of e to b का हो जाएगा 8s minus 44 upon s square minus 6s plus 13. ये हो गया. A batch of 100 capacitor contains 73 which are within the required tolerance value, 17 of which are below the required tolerance and the remaining are above the requirement. What is the probability that the when randomly selecting the capacitor and then a second capacitor both are within this required tolerance value when selecting with replacement? Because 0.5329. The value of root under 16 square minus x square dx 0 से 4 ये क्या करेंगे? ये स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा तुमको 4 पाई हो जाएगा. The value of 3x ब्रैकेट में 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 dx कितनी जगह c3 हो जाएगा. What is the radius comparison of a rectangular lamina of length 40 mm and width 15 about an axis through one corner perpendicular to the plane lamina? कितना 2.47 हो जाएगा. इसका सॉल्यूशन